Good morning. Hello, my cutie pies. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, do you remember which alphabet we have learned? We have learned alphabet from A to R. So now, let's quickly do the recap of it and learn a new alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now, let's learn a new alphabet S. S.
S for S.
S for sandwich. Sandwich, yummy and delicious. मम्मा घर पे बनाती है? Yes, children love to eat sandwich. S for soap. Soap माने साबुन जो हम रोज उससे नहाते हैं, which keeps our body clean. S for soap. S for spoon. Spoon माने चम्मच जिससे हम खाना खाते हैं, दाल राइस ग्रेवी वाली सब्जियाँ. S for spoon. S for sweater. स्वेटर माने जो हम ठंडी की सीज़न में अभी पहनते हैं, विंटर सीज़न में. S for sweater. Now, let's learn a new shape. But before that, let's revise the previous shapes and then learn a new shape, rectangle.
Is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a square.
Children, this is a rectangle shape. You know, it has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is equal. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Now, let's see some few objects related to shape rectangle. Children, what is this? Yummy, delicious chocolate. Yes. Do you know which shape is this? This is rectangle shape. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Its opposite sides are equal. 1 and 2. These 2 sides are equal. 1 and 2. These 2 sides are equal. Yummy, yummy chocolate. Yes. Now, children, see what is this. Yes, kids love this Parle-G biscuits, isn't it? Now, let's see. Which shape is this? Rectangle. How many sides they have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Now children see. What is this? Who tell me ये क्या है? Yes, it is a remote. It is a TV remote. It is rectangle shape. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. ये क्या होता है? ये रिमोट से हम क्या करते हैं? टीवी को चालू बंद करते हैं? Yes. Now, let's revise them once again. Shape, rectangle. Shape, rectangle. What is this? Biscuit. Which biscuit? Parle-G. It is which shape? Rectangle shape. Now, what is this? Yummy, yummy dairy milk chocolate. And which shape is this? Rectangle shape. Which shape is this? Rectangle. And what is this? Television, TV का remote है ये. Okay, now let's do an activity related to shape rectangle. बच्चों, ये क्या है आपको पता है? This is a box. And which shape is this? Rectangle shape. We have some stars, sellotape, scissors and a color paper. अब हम क्या करेंगे पता है? अब हम ये बॉक्स को रैप करके उसे डेकोरेट करेंगे. चिल्ड्रन, सी, आप आपकी मम्मा की हेल्प लेके आप एक्स बॉक्स को ऐसे रैप कर सकते हो सेलो टेप लगा के ऐसे. और अब हम ये बॉक्स को डेकोरेट करेंगे. ये क्या है? स्टार्स. एस फॉर स्टार्स. अब हम ये स्टार्स यहाँ पे पेस्ट करके उसको डेकोरेट करेंगे. We will take one star from here and we will paste it. इस तरह हम पूरे बॉक्स को ऐसे स्टार्स से डेकोरेट करेंगे. ऐसे स्टार्स लेके हम see children, isn't it looking very nice? We will decorate this box with these stars. ऐसे लेंगे और फिर उसके ऊपर ऐसे स्टार्स को हम लगाएंगे. See children. वाओ. और ये हमने क्या बनाया? गिफ्ट बॉक्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो आज हमने क्या सीखा? शेप रेक्टेंगल और अल्फाबेट एस. एस फॉर स्टार्स. अल्फाबेट एस. एस फॉर स्टार्स. So kids, did you enjoy the activity? Yes? Very good. Okay then, bye. Take care. See you in the next session.